Welcome to our van conversion series, where we turn our van from this to this. In this episode, we're going to be focusing on the floor. Here's a list of all the materials and tools used in this episode, and they're all going to be linked down below. So to start the subfloor, we made a rough layout of where we wanted the frame and insulation to be, and once we were happy with that, we took out the wood pieces and glued them down. Once the wood framing was all glued down, we used the extra wood pieces we had to keep tension on it while the glue dried. So it should have been long enough, so we'll be able to take these off now. I'm making a layout with the cardboard, so I'll be able to just trace the layout onto the plywood. I'm just like pushing it along. So yeah, I have the layout all finished. Now I just need to tape everything together. Okay, so finally done the cardboard layout. So now I should easily be able to draw it out on the plywood and have a perfect match, I hope. I'm not sure if I've used this tool before, but we're gonna try. I think it's called a reciprocating saw. We're gonna try to use it for this corner piece here. Okay, that kind of went well. I think it actually did okay. Okay. The line is straight, but definitely need safety glasses. I'm gonna see if I can do this on my own. I really don't know. Oh yeah, here you go. Oh, that's so heavy. Over there. This is root. Perfect fit. Okay, so we got half the plywood down yesterday. I'm gonna start screwing this board in. I marked lines on the plywood so I knew where the framing was. And then I began to countersink my holes so the screws would sit flush on the plywood. After drilling all the plywood pieces down, we were ready for the vinyl flooring. Now this is where I made my first mistake during the van conversion. I put the vinyl flooring directly on the plywood instead of using an underlayment. Because of all the imperfections with the plywood, it made the planks hard to click together.
Everything for this.
Oh yeah. Okay, we're about to put the last piece in for the flooring. He's cutting it right now.